Ito yung ating barya ngayon guys, ang 5 piso na mayroong taon na 1975, si President Ferdinand Marcos. Tapusin ang video guys para malaman natin ang katotohanan tungkol sa baryang ito guys, dahil mayroon itong halaga guys na umabot ng 14,000. Ang 1975 5 piso coins value varies greatly from face value around 0.09 US dollar for circulated coins, 20 up to 30 US dollar for uncirculated proof version, with potential for more if it's a rare proof or special minting, especially if part of a set or graded, featuring Ferdinand Marcos from Daang Bagong Lipunan. Una, ang condition or graded, uncirculated or UNC or proof coins are worth significantly more than circulated ones. Number 2, mint mark. Some were minted in different location, Franklin Mint or proofs, affecting rarity. Number 3, type. Standard circulation versus proof sets. Number 4, rarity. Lower mintage proofs or error coins command higher prices. Example, values at EB collector site or EB selling platform. Number 1, circulated around 8 to 20 US dollar. Uncirculated condition or UNC, 20 to 35 US dollar. Number 3, proof coins can range from 50 US dollar to over 300 US dollar, especially in original sets or high grade. To check your coin, examine the condition. Look for wear, scratches, or blemishes. Number 2, check for FM or proof mark. FM, Franklin Mint, or East San Francisco Mint for US proof indicates a proof coin. Number 3, compare. Look for similar condition on site like eBay or Nomista. So guys, dito sa ating selling online guys, sa eBay guys, ay mayroon itong halaga guys na umabot ng 238.20 US dollar. Sa Pilipinas guys, dahil tumaas na ang ating dollar ngayon guys, umabot na ng 58.88, ay mayroon itong halaga guys na umabot ng 14,025 pesos 0.21 centavos. At yan guys ang ating na-discovery na mga value sa ating 5 piso na 1975 Marcos coins. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.